So if you guys have been watching throughout the week, my front door transitioned from patriotic to childhood cancer awareness. So, we still have a mailbox that needs a little bit of gold on it. All right, we're gonna start with our little 8-inch frame. Gonna grab some pipe cleaners. We only need 8. All right, so we're gonna put 1 pipe cleaner around the 2 outside on every crosshair, right? So we'll have 4 on the outside. All right, so there's the 4 on the outside. All right, now we're gonna put 1 in between those 4 on the top 2. All right, normally we just do Ruffles, but I didn't have a lot of 10-inch gold, but I did have this one. So let's try doing some Poofs on the baby frame. So we're gonna take our 21, we're gonna fold that beginner in half, fold each in on the sides. All right, we're gonna start at the top. Get it good and twisted. All right, and we're gonna measure out about 10 inches. And then, maybe not, that looks really big. Let's do 8. Let's do 8 on this little frame. All right, so it's looking a little rough, but it's okay. We're gonna go right down to the bottom, and on the bottom we're gonna do 10-inch. Y'all, now I'm gonna take a little bit of plain burlap. All right, we're gonna cut these at 20 inches. And we're gonna cut 1 for each twist, so we're gonna need 8. Get our base back. Then we're gonna take it and we're gonna curl 1 edge just a little bit, 1 edge just a little bit. Then we're gonna ruffle it right down the middle. All right, then we're gonna add 1 of those to every one of the twists. All right, now we're gonna do 4 across the top. All right, look how cute. Y'all, let's make our little bow. Y'all, should we try putting this in our bow? I feel like if I was gonna use this in my bow though, all right, this is like legit chicken wire. Someone took some chicken wire, put some glue on it, and glittered it. So if I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna make a layer, attach this into the bow, into the wreath, and then make a bow that sits on top of it. because this is kind of serious. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I have it layered just like this, like if you were going to make a kid's hair bow. Y'all, I'm going to grab a zip tie. And I'm going to weave it, not on the very outside. I'm going to go on the inside loops about, I don't know, 3 or 4 in on both sides. And then tighten it up. So what I wanted to do was not have to fight with it. So I used the zip tie to pull it together. All right, now that the center is pulled in nice and tight, I'm gonna go around the whole thing with another zip tie. See how it wants to twist a little bit? We wanted to avoid that at all costs. But look at that bow. All right, then I want to get the tail. So I'm gonna put this on here. Measure out my length. All right, so now I don't have it like 4 layers deep, so I should be able to work it into a little pinch. Y'all, this is a lot of zip ties. Now, this one is just gonna sit right behind here. And then our regular bow is gonna sit right in that one. Let's make our little bow. We're gonna start with on a 12 to 14 inch tail and give it a good twist. Six and a half inches. All right, so the childhood cancer awareness color is the gold. So that's what we're going with. Y'all, we're gonna do another layer of this color. So I didn't have a lot of solid gold options, and I didn't want to go dig out the Mardi Gras container. So we're just gonna put multiple layers of the same color in here. All right. it off, tie it off. This gold ribbon was from Deco Exchange, but this is like from, I don't know, 2 years ago. So it's probably not in stock anymore, if I had to guess. All right, now I'm gonna use that pipe cleaner to hold all the pieces together. Y'all, look how pretty. Y'all, honestly, with this right here, you wouldn't even need to make the whole base. You could literally just use the chicken wire as your base, and it would hold it up nice and tight. All right, now look, I don't like that straight edge. So let's see what we can do about it. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a taper. All right, let's dovetail our ends. Look how pretty. Y'all, now I don't know if I want to actually use this on this base or not. Yeah, the colored chicken wire is in stock. Like, I don't think we need it. The chicken wire is holding up really well. And I think this is good enough to go out on the mailbox.